Private small businesses need to develop and switch to stay aware of the market continually. The new year is an opportunity to assess where you've been and make objectives. Individuals from the online independent small business community have tons of ideas and thoughts for improving in the new year. While nobody could predict what 2020 would bring to small private companies, or the world, since the year is winding down, it's an ideal opportunity to think about the most recent year and plan for the year ahead. You might not have had the option to meet a large number of the objectives you set for your business in 2020, yet it's an ideal opportunity to refocus and plan for a superior business resolutions 2021. These business resolutions 2021 should help you conceptualize and brainstorm to refresh your business activities this year. Contemplate what day-to-day and general issues you need to tackle and how you can make better propensities to get them going. Additionally, consider what more significant activities will have the biggest impact on your business. Here are some inspirational ideas for business resolutions 2021 that helps you conceptualize and brainstorm where you can somewhat refresh your business activities this year. Reappropriate and outsource more areas of the business. Numerous entrepreneurs and small business owners are accustomed to thoroughly taking care of themselves. Notwithstanding, this isn't, for the most part, the best approach to have. You're not a specialist in each part of the business, and you shouldn't act as you are. Outsourcing for a third party will likewise give you more opportunity to focus on developing the business. Services to take a gander at outsourcing incorporate debt recovery, credit control, deals, digital marketing and promoting your website. There will be additional expenses related to this, yet this can counterbalance the development you'll find in the business. Lessen your overheads. When they are battling monetarily, one of the fundamental issues for organizations is the number of overheads they have. Whatever your organization's monetary status, the beginning of it is a decent opportunity to see where you can reduce expenses. It doesn't mean being unfavorable to the business's achievement, however, taking a gander at where you can spend less. Update your business plan strategy. Have you even got a business plan strategy? If not, you should put aside an ideal opportunity to think of one. Frequently organizations set up an arrangement toward the beginning, however, they never think to revisit it consistently. It is essential to comprehend where your business is going and what regions you should be focusing on. A decent business plan will guide you along the correct route to develop your organization. It will focus your mind, help you remain coordinated and organized, and outline your programs to any potential financial specialists. Along these lines, it's a pivotal component to your accomplishment in 2021. Organize and prioritize your credit control. Guaranteeing that you have adequate money to pay your providers is essential, so it's critical to keep on top of your debtors. It would help if you had an arrangement of credit control that centers on collecting late payments before becoming excessively overdue. Permitting clients to ceaselessly pay late, with no recuperation, sets up the desire that you won't pursue them and empowers late payments. Improve your delegation skills aptitudes. One zone that entrepreneurs are regularly terrible at when they develop is figuring out how to assign tasks to employees. Indeed, you will have done everything yourself, except as you grow and expand your group, it's critical to pass on specific areas. It allows you to focus on the more significant errands. In the first place, it can feel like it takes more time to instruct somebody to accomplish the work, and it's simpler to do it without anyone's help. Notwithstanding, this will furnish you with more opportunity to focus on developing the business and getting more deals over the long haul. Increment your marketing. One of the fundamental methods of producing a more impressive sales number is building your marketing endeavors. Appearing reliably on a wide range of channels and advancing the business is a priority. An essential New Year's resolution for the company should be to build up your own promoting and digital marketing plan. If you don't think about what it takes to do this satisfactorily, at that point, there are advertising and digital marketing experts accessible who can uphold you. Focus on your site. Most clients will search Google for the sort of business they are searching for. That is why it's essential that you have an up-to-date, clear and expert and professional-looking website. Regardless of whether you won't be selling through the internet, having a stage of drawing in new customers is essential. It is a region that you could look to outsource. Have realistic objectives. When you're defining objectives for the business, it's fundamental that they are reasonable. Else, you will feel collapsed when you don't contact them. Where you prevail regarding getting to your objectives, it gives you pride of achievement and that you can go further. Not reaching the unrealistic goals you set will leave you feeling flattened. The bottom line. We trust that these Business Resolutions 2021 and business tips for the new year have given you an explosion of motivation and inspiration. These models should fill in as a jumping-off point to assist you in getting started. You'll need to ponder where you need your business to be when 2022 moves around and how the resolutions you set for the current year can help you get there.